Hi, I'm Dave Polidori. I've had solar for about a month. Electric bills before solar were going up every year. They were running about $250 to $260 a month up until I got solar. So I chose solar first to lower our electric bills and to prevent the annual increases. And second, we included a battery with our system so that we would be able to maintain power even during periods of blackouts. Last year we did, when we didn't have solar, and during the fire season they turned the power off for 12 to 16 hours at a time, and we lost several items from our refrigerator. Searched to several companies online, and SolarTech was one that came up that had a number of positive reviews. So I had a representative named Ali who was really great. He came over, made everything simple, easy to understand, put together an offer that was easy to work with, and we signed the agreement the same day he came to visit, so it was very efficient. I check the status nearly every day right now to see that my bill is going to be much cheaper. I've had one bill so far, and my cost for use is almost down to zero now, and it's rewarding to every day see I'm saving money each day. We're really happy with our solar system. I imagine I'll maintain solar power for the rest of my life.